Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to give you the front brake torque specifications for a 2007 to 2017 Toyota Camry. I just uploaded a video showing complete step-by-step directions on how to do a brake job on your own at your house, save a ton of money on parts, and save a ton of money on labor, and make sure that everything is done properly. So go check out that video. There might be a link in the description, or maybe the first comment will have that link as well. Torque specs are important while performing a BJ on a vehicle. It ensures that everything is tightened up properly, not too tight nor too loose. If too loose, the bolts can come undone, causing parts to shift. This can mean wobbly brakes, uneven pad wear, and also, worst case scenario, the brakes to just completely fail while you're going down the road. Too tight, you risk damaging parts, stripping the threads out, and also causing warpage on brake parts such as the rotors, which will also cause, in the long run, vibration and poor braking performance. Following proper brake torque specifications ensures proper functionality, everything lasts as long as it could, and you ensure that there is no problems down the road while you are driving. Now, when you're tightening everything up, first off, you want to tighten up your brake caliper bracket to knuckle to 79 foot-pounds on this vehicle. It is kind of odd that the year range on this thing, 2007 to 17, are all the same. The parts are the same, the torque specs are the same, everything are the same. But your knuckle to bracket bolt, this is going to be tightened up to 79 foot-pounds. And I believe this one was a 17 millimeter bolt. Next, when you tighten the caliper to the bracket, this one is only going to be tightened up to 25 foot-pounds. So this one's really easy to strip out or break if you over tighten it, and you might also need to use a open-end wrench or something as such to hold the slider pin from sliding, or spinning I should say, when you're tightening this one up to proper brake torque specifications. Also, really important, the lug nuts on the wheel. You want to make sure that the wheel is up against the hub and the rotor, nice and flush, nice and even. You don't want it to cause any vibrations if it's not on there evenly. You're driving down the road, you're like, what is that? And it's just the wheel that wasn't on straight. So the proper brake torque specifications, So the proper torque specifications for the lug nuts on this one is 76 foot-pounds. And you want to tighten those up in a star pattern when you tighten these ones up. Now, if this video did help you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Look for helpful links in the description below, such as the parts and the tools needed to get this job done. Hit that like button right now if you haven't done so now. And I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.